Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay with Apple Pay on Amazon. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Amazon app and tap on the account icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Next, tap on Your Account. Then scroll down and find the Your Payments option under the Payments section. Tap Your Payments, then select Add a Payment Method. Choose Add a Credit or Debit Card. Now, enter your Apple Card details, card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. If you do not know your Apple Card number, open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap on the card, and then tap the credit card icon at the top right corner. From there, copy the card number and paste it into the Amazon app. After entering all required details, tap Add and Continue. While Amazon does not support Apple Pay directly, using your Apple Card through Amazon's payment settings works as an effective alternative. It allows you to enjoy Apple Pay's benefits, like security and simplicity, while shopping on Amazon. So that's basically how you can pay with Apple Pay on Amazon. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.